E from MarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com. About 20 after 11 on the 10th of July, 2019. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. But we've had a terrific pounding up early. We ran stops, double top tested last week's high, and then we've come all the way back to the middle. And our half gap is 88.5. Anybody that's got the half gap is about a 20-point trade off the high. Anytime that we can get back in underneath that second level and we get to the 40 back, then we know also a 50 back is possible and a 60 back is possible. So currently, Charlie got the ball up here, and we're range trading right now. This is a intraday range, advising traders to make sure you are paid if you shorted by our middle, 89.5 to 88.5, the half gap. Scene of the crime was back down here in the 75 area. 70, 75, 77, back here. And the high may be in for the day. Don't know for sure, but we do know this. Market is pulled back and given a 50 back. And this is a very unusual trade, putting it into perspective, that it would happen so soon. Usually it takes time. But this is a V type of a formation. Fast up, fast down. So we're using this notation here where this 85.5. Obviously the gap, we know the gap is back at the 82.25. Theoretical support. Third time through trade right back here in that 86 to 85 zone. Great trade if you got it. This is unheard of. And when this first started, I'm not a believer that we can get all the way back here. I said this it will take time. We know that we got our target within a point. But to get the fast pullback is a surprise to me. NQ. Got back into range, got the second box, and we said you got to stall. And if we can get by there, then the next box is available. Third time through trade right there, too. And we are in this box, paid for sure. Resistance, fighting box, support box. OTF. It's like you're writing a script with this. I is probably in for the day. And this is our daily. That one was OTF, meaning our weekly. This is our daily model. Today's model. What should it do? Where can we find expected support? Down here. Where can we find first resistance? Top of this box and then the extremes above it. But this clearly says right here, paid for sure. Don't even think twice about it. Anybody that's buying aggressively, the 88 to 89, think of it as a scalp with the trend. Profit taking from smart shorts. And this is our flipper. We talked about this yesterday, right? Sanjay asked about, what do you mean by flipper? What do you mean? This is our looking for resistance, looking for support. And anybody that's got the system, we've got this stuff obviously on our spreadsheets. And you can easily program the E widget for that. Plug in the numbers, ready to go. Now, anytime we get a fast up and we get a fast back down, there comes a spot where you think you can get so much more. And that's the spot that most of us get caught, myself included. Okay, we got them now. And then all of a sudden, so you need a system to help you with proportion. And you need to be disciplined to take your stops. Here's where traders, so this was our target, right? The half gap. This high is going to be a key high, as well as just below it here, that 85 from yesterday. So here is where traders got caught on this, because normally this is a double top. And this pushes through. Remember we said stops up at 85, 86, and then it holds, and then we get the jackrabbit. So right now, this is still supportive, still broken. And we've said make sure you pay by half gap if we got there at lunch. Well, we got there early. So I know traders want the 82s, you want your gap and whatever, and you want this breakout down here. But you know what? Make sure you're paid. It's more important to capture something in this range than it is to get additional points. That's my conservative nature. After playing at this game for how many years? I think we've had a reasonable morning. Magnet 98 and a quarter, we said searching for support below it.